Hello, and welcome back to Home Interior Inspo, your go-to channel for all things beautiful and inspiring in the world of home design. Today, we're delving into a style that feels more essential now than ever: nature-inspired interior design. This approach is all about forging a deeper connection with the natural world, right within the walls of our homes. It's about creating spaces that not only look stunning but also nurture our well-being, evoking feelings of tranquility, peace, and groundedness. If you're ready to explore how to bring the serene beauty of the outdoors in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and perhaps drop a comment below with what first comes to mind when you think of a nature-inspired home. At its heart, nature-inspired interior design is a philosophy. It's a conscious choice to surround ourselves with elements that echo the patterns, textures, colors, and materials found in the natural environment. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about biophilia, the innate human tendency to seek connections with nature and other living systems. By incorporating these elements, we aim to create interiors that reduce stress, enhance creativity, improve our mood, and foster a sense of calm and clarity. It's about crafting a sanctuary, a personal retreat that recharges and revitalizes, reminding us of the simple, profound beauty that exists beyond our windows. This design style moves away from the artificial and synthetic, embracing authenticity and sustainability. It encourages us to be more mindful of the materials we bring into our homes, often favoring those that are renewable, recycled, or sourced with minimal environmental impact. A defining characteristic of nature-inspired interiors is the abundant use of natural materials. Wood is a cornerstone, appearing in flooring, furniture, wall paneling, and decorative accents. Think of the warmth of oak, the lightness of pine, the richness of walnut, or the rustic charm of reclaimed timber. Each type brings its own unique grain, color, and texture, adding depth and character. Stone is another vital element, introducing a sense of solidity and timelessness. Marble, granite, slate, travertine, and even humble pebbles can be used for countertops, backsplashes, flooring, or fireplace surrounds. These materials connect us to the earth in a very tangible way. Beyond wood and stone, natural fibers play a crucial role in softening the space and adding tactile appeal. Cotton, linen, wool, and silk are popular choices for upholstery, curtains, bedding, and throws. For rugs and accent pieces, consider jute, sisal, rattan, wicker, and bamboo. These materials are not only beautiful but also often more sustainable and healthier, contributing to better indoor air quality. Ceramics, particularly those with an artisanal, handmade quality, fit perfectly, whether as pottery, vases, or decorative tiles, often featuring earthy glazes and organic forms. The color palettes in nature-inspired design are, as you might expect, drawn directly from the natural world. Greens are fundamental, ranging from soft sage and muted olive to deep forest greens and vibrant leafy hues. These colors are inherently calming and promote a sense of balance. Browns provide warmth and grounding, encompassing everything from light sandy beiges and tans to rich terracotta and deep chocolate browns. Blues, reminiscent of the sky and water, can bring a sense of spaciousness and serenity, from pale sky blues to deeper ocean tones. Neutrals like whites, creams, and soft grays act as a canvas, mimicking the soft light of dawn or the gentle tones of pebbles and clouds. They allow the natural materials and textures to take center stage. Accent colors often reflect the brighter side of nature, The warm yellows and oranges of a sunset, the soft pinks and lavenders of wildflowers, or the vibrant blues of a summer sky. The key is to create a harmonious blend that feels organic and restful, avoiding overly harsh or artificial shades. Natural light is paramount. Large windows, skylights, and thoughtful window treatments that maximize daylight are essential. Light connects us to the rhythms of the day and makes spaces feel more alive and airy. When artificial light is needed, it should be layered and warm, mimicking the gentle glow of sunlight or candlelight. And of course, no nature-inspired interior is complete without plants. Live plants bring life, purify the air, and add vibrant splashes of green. From large statement trees to small potted succulents, hanging plants, or fresh-cut flowers and branches, greenery is a direct link to the outdoors. For those who find plant care challenging, high-quality preserved moss walls or botanical prints can also effectively evoke a natural feel. Nature rarely deals in perfectly straight lines and flat surfaces. Therefore, nature-inspired design embraces organic shapes, gentle curves, and varied textures. Furniture might feature softly rounded edges or live-edge details. Decorative objects often mimic natural forms. Think of stone-shaped cushions, branch-like light fixtures, or textiles with leaf or wave patterns. Texture is crucial for adding depth and interest. Imagine the roughness of bark, the smoothness of a river stone, the softness of moss, or the weave of a basket. Layering these textures creates a rich, tactile experience that is both visually appealing and inviting to touch. We've covered quite a few foundational elements of nature-inspired design, from materials and colors to the importance of light and plants. It's amazing how these components work together to create such soothing environments. We'd love to hear from you. Which natural element, wood, stone, plants, or perhaps natural light, do you feel makes the biggest impact in creating a nature-inspired space? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're finding this inspiration helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more design deep dives. The overall mood created by nature-inspired interiors is one of profound calm and tranquility. These are spaces designed to be restorative, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. There's a sense of being grounded, connected to something real and enduring. This style fosters an atmosphere that is both welcoming and nurturing. It can be refreshing and airy, like a walk through a forest after rain, or cozy and cocooning, like a warm cabin on a cool evening. Ultimately, it's about creating an environment where you can breathe deeply, relax fully, and feel genuinely at peace. The feeling is one of harmony between the indoor and outdoor, between the self and the environment. While the core principles remain consistent, nature-inspired design can manifest in various beautiful interpretations. Biophilic design, for example, is a more scientific approach that directly applies principles of human-nature connection to improve health and well-being in built environments. Coastal or nautical styles draw inspiration from the beach and ocean, featuring sandy neutrals, shades of blue and white, weathered woods, and motifs like shells and driftwood. Forest-inspired interiors might embrace deeper greens, rich browns, textures reminiscent of bark and moss, and perhaps even imagery of woodland creatures. Desert-inspired design uses warm earth tones, terracotta, cacti, and textiles with tribal patterns, evoking the stark beauty of arid landscapes. Tropical designs are lush and vibrant, filled with bold botanical prints, bright colors, and materials like bamboo and rattan. Each variation offers a unique way to connect with a specific aspect of the natural world. Incorporating nature-inspired design into your own home doesn't have to be an overwhelming overhaul. You can start small. Introduce a few potted plants or fresh flowers. Swap out synthetic textiles for natural ones like cotton throws or linen cushion covers. Look for opportunities to maximize natural light, perhaps by changing heavy drapes to lighter, sheerer options. Consider your color palette. Even adding a feature wall in a calming sage green or introducing accessories in earthy tones can make a significant difference. Bring in natural textures through a jute rug, a wooden bowl, or a collection of smooth stones. Don't underestimate the power of scent. Natural aromas like pine, cedar, lavender, or citrus can enhance the feeling of being connected to nature. Think about decluttering. An open, uncluttered space often feels more organic and peaceful. When choosing new pieces, prioritize natural materials and consider their sustainability and origin. Artwork depicting landscapes, botanicals, or animals can also be a simple yet effective way to reinforce the theme. In essence, nature-inspired interior design is more than just a trend. It's a mindful approach to creating living spaces that truly nourish the soul. It's about recognizing the profound impact our surroundings have on our well-being and intentionally crafting homes that serve as havens of peace, tranquility, and connection to the natural world. By thoughtfully incorporating natural materials, earthy color palettes, organic forms, and living elements, we can transform our interiors into personal sanctuaries that refresh, restore, and inspire us daily. It's an invitation to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the simple, enduring beauty that nature offers. Thank you so much for watching this exploration of nature-inspired interior design here on Home Interior Inspo. We hope you feel inspired to bring a touch of nature's serenity into your own spaces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Home Interior Inspo, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming design journeys. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.